Alright, hello good day. So today I'll be making a video on why some people was asking me some questions about why people who BMXing they just be faking now boy. So I'm just making this video to show them why. So notice a normal freestyle BMX bike, and see when you do this is to go forward, right? So say like you're coming out of a 180, say 180, just 180, boom, you don't wanna just stop right there and after roll back, because your momentum will be going back. I see how as I go back, my pedal's going back. That's because if I am rolling back, that's how the hub is. But if I'm rolling back, I can't do this. I can't do this because I will stop. So that is why you have to fakey, which means pedaling backwards. While rolling backwards, you're pedaling backwards. That is a fakey. And you have to fakey because if you stop, yeah, I said this already, you'll go forward. So that's why there's be pedaling back. But if you have a free coaster bike, a free coaster bike is a bike that when you're faking, you don't need to pedal back as my bike, as you need to do with my bike and others who BMX too. And also too, the free coaster, for those who don't know, is you could be pedaling backwards and your pedals will stay flat or however you want them to stay. You don't need to pedal back as my bike do. I know I'm being repetitive, but it is only 4-legged now boy, so you understand now why I'm being repetitive. And yeah, I'll do a small bike check in this one. And yeah, so alright. For my tires, I rocking Maxxis tires, Hookworm Maxxis tires. And yeah, that the tires. The tube is a normal 20-inch tube, and my frame, like I got the frame now. The frame on my bike is a green everyday bike, SE bikes everyday frame, and it's 20 inches. My cranks are normal cranks from SE bikes, as you can see here. Pedals are SE pedals. The seat is a SE bike pedal. The handle is a SE bike pedal. The forks are SE. The rims are SE. The brakes are SE brakes too. This neck, not too sure where it come from, but I think it's a SE also too. SE bikes neck or set. See in there, SE bikes. Yep. Innovation, whatever I say. My cranks, not my cranks, my gear wheel is a 26, is a 25 pin 25 pin gear wheel. My hubber is a 9 pin hub, and as you can see it makes this noise when you're pedaling backwards or when you're driving, well, riding. I have 2 hoppers, don't know where these come from either. Yeah, so that's the video I had to make now boy, you understand, because all my friends and them are like, why this, why that. So I had to show them now boy, you understand. Yeah, that is just a little white off now boy, style up the bike. So yeah, so hey, so yeah, that is the video then, and that is why when you're riding, it's how to be pedaling backwards now boy. And that is also let's call it bike check now boy, my bike check. It's my first ever BMX bike, and yeah, I'll end the video now because that's all I had to say in this video, you understand. The rest of the video might for me not be me just riding, yeah, riding, whatever, I'll end the video now, later.